driver for a company, driving elderly clients to and from medical doctor appointments and so forth. While sitting at a stoplight, I was rear-ended, and then the lady just drove all the way up the side of the vehicle, the driver's side, and just kept going. So basically, I was involved in a hit and run. I did have a passenger on board at the time who was fortunately uninjured, but due to the impact on the side of the vehicle that I was driving is where the injury occurred at. So I took the brunt of the impact. Initially, I started off going through the process claim, workers' comp from the job. They were in touch with me. The therapy sessions were inconsistent, and I wasn't getting what they initially told me that they were going to provide for me. This went on for approximately about a year and a half before I actually went looking for an attorney. I'm a praying man, and I was actually just asking God to give me direction on where to go. I did speak to several attorneys in the process. When I spoke to the attorney that represented me through the firm was Mr. Charles Hubley. And when I spoke with him, there was an instant connection. He was very soft-spoken, explained everything to me in detail, how it was going to proceed moving forward. And I just felt that in my spirit that this was where the place that God wanted me to be. So that's how I ended up with you guys. The connection was instantaneous. There was a spiritual connection, for one. Secondly, the way he began to break down everything in detail, explaining to me what should have occurred and what didn't occur and what he was going to do in order to make this thing right now. So that's what actually attracted me, the entire conversation. Every single time that I called to speak with Charles, if he was on another line, he would call me back, or he would shoot me an email or text telling me that he was available. So I really liked the fact that I was able to communicate with my attorney and not have to be shuffled aside to someone else that wasn't fully aware of what was taking place, but that I was able to speak with him directly really gave me peace. Actually, I've referred several clients since I became a client myself, and they are all very thrilled and happy with the support, with the information that they're getting. So my advice would be to anybody that's looking for a good attorney would be to come here, because here is where you'll find peace, you'll find comfort, you'll find a good explanation as to what the process is going to be like up front, so that you won't be anxious about it throughout the course. It is a pretty lengthy process at times, depending on the therapy that you have to do or whatever you may have to go through, but they'll walk you through that process step by step, letting you know what's to take place next. So that's really peaceful. So that's what I encourage clients to do. If you were interested in looking for a good attorney or finding a good attorney, look no further. Here it is right here. You got it. All right.